Hello, children. I warmly welcome you. Today, we will talk about the Task Manager. It is a very useful tool that helps us check which programs are running on the computer, how much memory they use, and if everything is working well. With it, we can easily close programs that have frozen or are causing problems. By a large tree, the parakeet explained to the puppy what she thought the Task Manager was. The parakeet claimed it was someone who manages tasks, like reminding the puppy to go for a walk or eat something. The puppy thought it was a place where animals write down what they have to do for the day. I explained to them that the task manager is not a person, but a tool in the computer that helps control programs. At the playground, the kitten and the frog were talking about the task manager. The kitten mentioned how once he had too many applications open and his computer started to run very slowly. The frog added that then you need to use the task manager to quickly close unnecessary applications so the computer will start to work faster. I explained to them that this is exactly how to best use the task manager by monitoring running applications and improving the computer's performance. On the meadow, the ladybug and the guinea pig were playing. I decided to check their knowledge and ask them what they knew about the task manager. The ladybug said that the task manager is a tool that allows you to see which applications are running, how much memory they use, and quickly end those that have frozen. The guinea pig added that this way, the computer can work better and faster. I praised them very much because they answered correctly. Let's summarize what we learned today. The Task Manager is a tool in the computer that shows running programs, how much memory they use, and how much they burden the processor. It also allows you to close programs that are not working well. Using it helps keep the computer in good condition. Thank you for spending time with me, and see you next time.